Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 7.7, Question number 3. For the function f of x equal 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 1, find the intervals of monotonicity, local extrema, intervals of concavity, and points of inflection. Now the function f of x equal 4x cubed plus 3x square minus 6x plus 1. F dash of x equal derivative of 4x cube is 12x squared plus 6x minus 6. Now f2 dash of x double derivative is equal 24x plus 6. Now here first put f dash of x equal to 0, which gives 12x squared plus 6x minus 6 equals 0. Dividing by 6 will get 2x squared plus x minus 1 equal to 0. Now let us solve this. Here 1 into 2 is 2, that is 2 and minus 1. So 2x squared plus 2x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Then 2x common, x plus 1 minus 1 is common, x plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore 2x minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. From that x equal to half and minus 1. Therefore critical numbers are half and minus 1. Now the possible intervals are because it's a polynomial function, so possible intervals are minus infinity to minus 1 and minus 1 to half and half to infinity, positive infinity. These are the intervals. Now we'll discuss about the intervals. Here intervals is minus infinity to minus 1 and minus 1 to half and half to positive infinity. Now sign of f dash of x. Here suppose in this between minus infinity to minus 1, let us take, say, x is minus 2. For that we'll substitute f of x. Here f dash of x is 12x squared plus 6x. 12x squared, that is 12 minus 2 square plus 6 into minus 2 minus 6 gives here it gives positive value. Then for this here say half and minus half and 1, let us take 0. So x equals 0, we'll substitute 12 into 0 plus 6 into 0 minus 6, so negative sign. Here this half into, say, this with the limits we have, say x equal to 1, so 12 into 1 plus 6 into 1 minus 6. So it's also positive. Now this, if it is positive, this is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing. This is monotonicity. Monotonicity. Strictly increasing. Here strictly decreasing. Here also strictly increasing. Now we talked about monotonicity as well as the possible intervals we did. Next, f of x is, we'll discuss further. F of x is strictly increasing in minus infinity to minus 1 and half to infinity. Here this in these two intervals, so f of x is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing in minus 1 to half. Strictly decreasing minus 1 to half. Minus 1 to half. This interval strictly decreasing. After that, let us find f2 days of x equal to 0. Here f2 days of x you have to find first is, that is 24x plus 6. 24x plus 6 equals 0, which gives x equal minus 6 over 24, which is equal minus 1 by 4. Therefore the possible intervals of concavity, therefore the possible intervals of concavity. So for intervals of concavity we have to find f2 dash of x, that we found. From that equate 0, get x equal to minus 1 by 4. Now let us talk the new intervals. Then here intervals, and here the possible intervals of concavity is concavity is minus infinity to minus 4 and minus 1 by 4 to positive infinity. So we'll discuss about now the intervals. Now intervals, first interval is minus infinity to minus 1 by 4. Second is minus 1 by 4 to positive infinity. Now sine of f2 days of x, here say x equal, here minus infinity to minus quarter, we can take it is minus 1. Suppose x equal to minus 1, we will put the value of f2 days, that is 24x. 24 minus 1 plus 6 is negative. Here say from minus quarter to infinity, let us take x equals 0. So we have 24 into 0 plus 6 gives positive because plus 6 comes. Now we'll talk about concavity. The concavity here minus sign, so concave down, and here positive is concave up. Minus is concave down, this up is concave, positive is concave up. Now then therefore here f of x is concave down in minus infinity to concave down in minus infinity to minus 1 by 4, and concave up in the interval of minus 1 by 4 to positive infinity. Now as f2 days of x changes its sign when it passes through minus quarter to infinity, minus quarter to here, that is minus quarter to positive infinity, it changes when it passes through. This is the concavity changes. Therefore, so at now we can at x equal minus 1 by 4. Now let us substitute the point of inflection. The point of inflection is minus x is minus 1 by 4 and f of minus 1 by 4. That is, we'll do f of minus 1 by 4. We'll talk f of 1 by 4 is here 4x cube, 4 minus 1 by 4 cube, 4x cube plus 3 into x square minus 6 into x plus 1. So which is equal 4 into 1 by 4, 4 minus 1 by 64 plus 3 1 by 16 plus 6 by 4 plus 1. Here which is further equal 1 by minus 1 by 16 plus 3 by 16 plus 24 by 16 plus 16 by 16. So which is equal 16 minus 1 plus 3 plus 24 plus 16. Here minus 1 . . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 . 1 Here we have f of 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 6x plus 1. We are using this x is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 cube, and 3 into 1 by 4 square minus 6 into 1 by 4 and 1. Here minus 4 by 16, not 4 by 16 it is. Here 4 by 64 is 1 by 16. Now minus 1 by 16 plus 3 by 16 plus 6 by 4, which is equal now 16 minus 1 by 16 plus 3 by 16 plus 3 by 2, that is, we can do this normal way here. Then here minus 1 by 16 plus 3 by 16 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Here, which is 2 by 16, because minus 1 plus 3, 2 by 16 plus 2 by 16 plus 3 by 2 plus 1 is equal 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 plus 12 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So here 8 by 8, which is equal 8 20 is 19 by 8. So check with point of inflection. Now for this we can do finally you can do this one as we can do this one as 1. We'll do 16 is an LCM, minus 1 plus 3 plus 24 plus minus 1 by 16 plus 3 by 16 plus 3 by 2 plus 1, which is equal, the final value is 21 over 8. Therefore, point of inflection is minus 1 by 4 to 21 by 8. Now here further f dash of x, since f dash of x changes its sign, sign from positive to negative, from positive to negative at x equal -1. Before that, at positive to negative at x equal to, then x equal to -1, it has local maximum. It has local maximum at x equal to -1. Therefore, we will find the local maximum value. F of -1 equal 4 into -1 cube plus 3 into 3x, that is 3 into -1 the square, plus, that is minus 6 into -1 plus 1. So we have, this is -4, 3, 6, 1. So equal 6. Since f dash of x changes sign negative to since f dash of x changes from negative to positive to at another value x equal to half, so it has a local minimum at x equal to half. Therefore, we have to use one more. F of half equal 4 into half cube plus 3 into half square minus 6 into half plus 1. So we have, so this final value after calculation, which gives 3/4. So we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.